In this video, I will compare Zapier versus Make versus Autosnipe and versus N8N. And I will discuss which is the best automation tool. So for that, I have in here a table for comparison. So let's head over. And you can see in here Zapier is good for beginners and simple tasks. It's easy to use with 6,000 integration. And they have free plan as well as paid plans from 19.99 per month and above. So make have complex workflows and good visual interface and detailed error handling. They have free plan as well as paid plans for $9 per month. NA10 is best for developers and advanced users, and their key features are they are open source with custom API calls and flexible. So for the pricing, they have free self-hosting and cloud from $120 per month, which is a bit pricey if you actually don't use it that much. So Autostype is a trading automation and it have some real-time market alerts and trading tools. It's actually subscription-based and pricing varies. So here's my recommendation to you. If you want simplicity and integration, go for Zapier. If you want complex workflows, go to Make. If you are a developer and if you want cost-effective scaling, you can go for A at the end. And if you want some trading focused automation, go to Autosnipe. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.